my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Krystal-Flora, and today I am going to be doing my hair yet again. Today we're going to be doing butterfly locks. It is currently midnight. Not the best time to be doing this. So, yeah, let's just jump right into the video. I'm looking like a hot mess. Disregard the fact that I feel like this is an everyday notion on this channel at this point, so let's just get right into it. So I'm going to be using the Rosewater Curl refreshers. I'm also going to be using my Denman brush. And if I'm looking down, it's because I have this small little mirror. So I'm going to be parting my hair into 4 different sections primarily, and rubber banding it just to keep it organized. I'm going to be putting this on all my parts. It's the Medicated Anti-Dandruff Hair and Scalp Conditioner, and as you can see and seen from my old videos, this scalp always be playing games. So now I'm gonna go in and pre-section and braid all of my hair, and then I'm also going to make sure to moisturize it as well, as it's gonna be in the style for a long period of time. In order, I went in with the Rosewater Curl Refresher just to wet and loosen up my hair a bit, and then I would go in with the Thank God It's Natural Moisturizer and spread that all throughout the section, as well as detangle it using my Denman brush. And then once my hair was detangled to the point that I wanted it to, I would go in and braid it. The sections that I did were pretty medium sized. They weren't large, like they weren't the biggest that I've done, but they definitely weren't the smallest either, like they're not micros. But I went ahead and did that. Definitely like parting my hair first took the most time, but once it was out of the way, it was smooth sailing. Okay, so I literally only have back left. I did only like a row before I put it in a ponytail and just wrapped it for work. So I finished braiding my base down, so my parts are messy. I'm gonna just put this up to the side. I'm just gonna start going. I'm gonna be using the Freetress Waterwave in 22. This one is 1B. So I have 6 packs of the Waterwave 22-inch Freetress hair in the color TP4 with a mix of 30. And then I have 1 loner in 1B and 30, and that's because I couldn't find another pack of this. So for each braid that I section off, I'm going to be using 2 strands of the Freetress Waterwave and fluffing them out to make it more voluminous. And then once I do so, I'm going to go ahead and loop it through the base of the braid using a crochet hook. And once I get it through, I struggled a little bit with this first one, I'm going to wrap it 3 times at the base before continuing all the way down the lock. And in order to achieve like the distressed look, I did like kind of tug out pieces of it as I went down. This first lock was definitely a trial run for me to figure out how it was that I was going to be doing this, and so it was very long, and I did go ahead and change the length. So after I wrap the braid all the way down and reach a point where I want the lock to end, I'm going to knot it. You can knot it once, but I like to knot it more than once just for security or for my own peace of mind, just to make sure it doesn't go anywhere. And then most people like cut off the other strand that wasn't wrapped around, but I like it to look more bolsterous or big at the end, so I will knot that piece just to point it back upwards and wrap it around the lock that was already created in order to make it like bigger and more distressed at the ends. And then once I reach the end of that piece, I'm going to actually knot it again and again until there is not a lot of hair left. And then with that small piece of hair, I'm just going to wrap it around the lock or rub it between my hands. I was kind of disappointed because not a lot of pieces in the packs that I bought were ombre, so I tried to preserve those pieces for the front of my hair so that they could frame my face, and I did enjoy wrapping those the most because you can see the color change. But when I knot the hair at the bottom and then use the second strand to go over the first one, it was just the second color left, so it helped blend the ombre even more, and I loved it so much. So we are in the home stretch. So I literally only have these top 3 left and plenty of hair left, but this is what it looks like so far. There's like a sprinkle of black in there because like I said, that one pack kind of just came in, and it's, if anything, it's on top. So usually I like to hide like random colors or like mismatched colors in the back, but I actually like how this looks, especially because it goes more with my roots. So it just worked out the way it did.
There's music in the air and lots of loving everywhere. So give me the night. Give me the night. So come on out tonight and we'll leave the others on a ride through paradise. And if you feel alright, then we can be lovers, 'cause I see that starlight look in your eyes.
Okay, so that is it. I still have a couple pieces left, and honestly, I only have black towards the front of my hair, so I'm just gonna blend this into one of the locks that I've already installed and just make it so that it's an ombre of brown and black. And last but never least, I'm going to be doing my edges, you know, slaying these baby hairs. And I'm going to be using the Edge Fixer collab with Saweetie in the scent Pineapple. The scent doesn't really matter, but the product, guys, I love this edge control. First of all, it actually works for my 4C hair, and for anyone who knows me, I've always struggled to find one that stayed, like, laid my hair and stayed. Eco Styler was never an option. ORS, like, it wouldn't maintain the slayage, but this one has never done me wrong since I bought it, and I love it so much. Like, look. So this is it for this video. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It's kind of just growing on me. New hairstyles, like it's gonna take, like, let's say 3 to 5 hours for me to actually feel myself instead of like feeling like I'm an imposter. But it's really cute. It's really cute. It's really easy to do. It wasn't that bad. Wrapping with the Freetress Waterwave was actually really great. It was really like 10 out of 10. I like that better than wrapping my hair with Marley hair. If you guys did enjoy this video and you like the hairstyle, please don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below any hairstyles that you want me to try after this. Plus, I also wanted to update you guys a little bit about my skin. It's getting a lot better. This is I'm finishing up month 2 on Accutane, and this is how it looks. At first I was taking pictures every single day, but that was only the first month. After the second month hit, I just stopped. I was like, whatever. So I don't know, let me know if you guys want a video at the end regarding my Accutane journey. It's honestly not that bad. I think that at the end of the 5 or 6 months, it's gonna be pretty much worth it. So let me know if you guys want me to keep you updated with that as well, or if you just want like a whole separate video. And yeah, so like I said before, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
We'll be dancing in the street until the morning light, 'cause there's music in the air and lots of love everywhere. So give me the night, give me the night, give me the night, give me the night.